Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. So you can see here with Lido, there is over 916,644 Ethereum that is being staked with Lido, and currently the APR is 4.7% if you stake your Ethereum with Lido, and you get ST-ETH, which is the one-to-one token with the ETH that you stake. You're going to get ST-ETH every single day, 4.7%. Now this goes up and down depending on the network. Okay, so you can see this is the Lido amount. This is the APR. Lido take 10% reward fee, so that's why it's 4.7%. They're doing the heavy lifting. They're maintaining everything. You don't have to run your own validator. You don't have to have 32 Ethereum. You can stake with as little as you want, and you can start making rewards. That is the price you're paying for convenience with Lido. Okay, if you were to run your own validator, which will cost you 32 Ethereum, okay, you will not be able to touch that Ethereum until the beacon chain launches. Okay, until the Ethereum is withdrawable from the beacon chain. Okay, and that can take 2 years. It can take more than 2 years. We don't know. Okay, we do not know. Okay, so keep in mind, like here, if you are running a validator, you need 32 Ethereum, and that is out of the reach of many people because that's over $100,000. Not everybody has $100,000 to lock into Ethereum 2.0. Okay, not everybody has it that. So the easier option, the best option, is to liquid stake. Liquid Ethereum staking is the way forward. Yes, they take 10%, so it's not the same as if you're running a validator, which is 5.9%, but having 1% less and having more convenience is perfectly fine, because we know that we are a part of securing a network, even though we don't have 32 Ethereum. So running a validator, you need 32 Ethereum. If you don't have that, you can't run it. If you try to run it yourself, you have to make sure it's on all the time. You have to make sure it's maintained. You have to make sure all of that. Okay, that's why staking as a service is booming at the moment, because most people don't have the 32 Ethereum and don't have the technical expertise to manage running a node. Okay, so this is a better option for most people. Okay, so at this point in time, I'm getting 4.7% APR. This is going up every day, ST-ETH, and I can take this ST-ETH and I can earn more yield off of that ST-ETH. Okay, I can take that ST-ETH and I can take it into something like Curve. Okay, I can take some of that ST-ETH and I can take it into something like Curve, and I can start earning more yield off of this liquidity pool here. You know, all I've got to do is put an equal amount of Ethereum and an equal amount of ST-ETH here, okay, into this liquidity pool, and I'll be earning 7.56 plus 0.24 plus 0.10 plus 2.48, 10%. Okay, around a 10% interest I'm going to be earning off of my ST-ETH and ETH. Okay, yes, it's going to come in the LDO token, Curve, and ST-ETH, but I can swap those if I wanted to. I can just let them accumulate, let the LDO accumulate, let the Curve accumulate, let the ST-ETH accumulate. And what that means is, if you are on actually running a validator, you can't do anything with that 32 ETH. You can't put that, you can't take some of that 32 ETH and put it into Curve. You can't do it because it's locked inside the beacon chain. You can't take it out until ETH 2.0 launches. So when you do stake with Lido, you get that token ST-ETH, which is the equivalent amount to your ETH that you have staked, and you can literally do things like put it into Curve and earn a yield. Okay, you can also put it into Yearn Finance. Okay, you can also put it into Yearn Finance, which I'm going to show you now here. and you can use this pool here, the curve STETH. Underneath there. Wait one moment. You can put it into that curve STETH pool, which is right here, which is going to earn you 7.83%. 7.83%. And that 7.83%, you can just let it accumulate. You can just let it accumulate. You know, here you can let it accumulate into curve STETH. You can in this balance, and or you can withdraw it to any of these. So your Ethereum is liquid. It's liquid, my friends. So you can do what you want with what you get here with that STETH, which is very, very powerful. So keep in mind that when you are liquid staking, you are securing the network, especially with Lido, because it is one of the most decentralized staking as a service providers. Okay, and they have a huge STETH pool here, a huge pool with 17.3 million in volume here daily. So there's a lot of liquidity for the STETH token. There's a lot of liquidity for this token. Okay, and there's going to be a lot more people that are going to be staking their ETH with Lido. Okay, and even though the APR goes down, there's still going to be a lot of people coming to stake their ETH here, because no bank is going to pay you 4.7% APR. No bank is going to pay you that. If you find a bank, please put it in the comments. I know you're not going to find any. You know, so also what we have coming soon are various other ways to utilize Lido, and that's going to be powerful, because it's not just, if I go to the actual Lido.finance again, oh, not there. So if I go to Lido.finance and I scroll down, you can see we've got ETH 2.0, you've got Terra. Okay, so these are the two networks that are active at the moment where you can stake your Ethereum, and this one where you can stake your Luna and earn B Luna. There's going to be more networks that's going to be added here, so that you can have liquid funds whilst you stake. Okay, liquid funds whilst you stake. That is powerful. Anyways, people, gonna call this a short one today. I just thought I'll just talk a little bit about those things. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.